Guys, my whole family is eating. But my stepfather is not here. No. The name Tito Randel. He's not here. So this is my dad. This is my dad here. And this is my mom.
Hi.
Wait.
Grandpa. Grandpa.
This is my grandpa. He's eating.
Grandma.
This is my grandma.
Hi.
And what's this again? My stepmother. And this is the last one. Stepfather. So let's go back to my hamster. Wait. I think I forgot something. Me. Guys, how do I even walk in? Like, even look at this. It's closed. Wait, guys, it's closed. Guys, I can't get in. I'm just gonna go to the other side. Yeah, finally. You see these big things? Yeah. We're gonna march. Yo, they're just eating alone. We're gonna go now. Wait. Wait. I'm gonna pick something in. There. Snow fixed it. I'm fixing something. Wait. We're gonna go in a minute. Because the other friends is not gone yet. So. Wait. Guys, I'm almost done. Finally, I'm done. We're gonna go now! This is the air control. I'm just do it on the other hand because this is for the header. It's in the front because it's just invisible. Yo, I'm gonna turn. So this is actually, guys, this is pretty cool. Wait, guys, I'm gonna go get something. Bro, this doors. I'm gonna go get something. I'm gonna go eat it. I'm gonna go pee. Right? I'm gonna go pee. Guys, I'm gonna post this real quick, okay? Maybe not. Guys, I'm back. Did you hear that? That was super really sus. Someone came through the window. Someone was speaking in the window. He wears a yellow t-shirt and a red, black.
Okay na.
No. Speak English, not Filipino. Pa! Guys. Oh my! Guys, something just fell